Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro. In a market saturated with tablets of all shapes and sizes, finding the perfect device can be overwhelming. Enter the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro, a mid-range marvel that promises to deliver an unparalleled experience without breaking the bank. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who enjoys streaming movies and playing games, the Redmi Pad Pro has something for everyone. Stunning display. When it comes to tablets, the display is arguably the most important feature, and the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro does not disappoint. Boasting a 12.4-inch WQHD Plus display with a resolution of 2560 x 1600 pixels, this tablet ensures that every image and video looks sharp and vibrant. The screen also supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, which means smoother animations and more responsive touch interactions. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching your favorite series, or playing games, the high refresh rate ensures everything feels fluid and effortless. But it's not just about resolution and refresh rate. The Redmi Pad Pro's display is designed to be easy on the eyes, featuring TÜV Rheinland certification for low blue light emission. This means you can binge watch or read for hours without straining your eyes. The color accuracy is also top-notch, making it a great choice for creative professionals who need precise color representation. In addition, the display's brightness of up to 600 nits ensures visibility even in bright outdoor conditions, making it versatile for both indoor and outdoor use. Powerful performance. Under the hood, the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor, paired with up to 8 GB of RAM. This combination provides a robust performance that can handle everything from multitasking to gaming. The Snapdragon 870 is known for its efficiency and power, making it a perfect choice for a mid-range device. It ensures that apps open quickly, and switching between them is seamless. Whether you're editing documents, browsing the web, or engaging in intensive gaming sessions, the Redmi Pad Pro can keep up with your demands. One of the standout features of this processor is its AI capabilities, which enhance everything from photography to battery management. The AI engine optimizes performance based on your usage patterns, ensuring that you get the most out of your device without unnecessary battery drain. Speaking of battery, the Redmi Pad Pro houses a massive 10,000 mAh battery, which provides up to 2 days of moderate use on a single charge. This means you can enjoy long hours of productivity and entertainment without constantly worrying about finding a power outlet. Enhanced audio experience. A great display needs to be complemented by equally impressive audio, and the Redmi Pad Pro delivers on this front as well. The tablet features a quad-speaker setup with Dolby Atmos support, providing a rich and immersive audio experience. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or listening to music, the sound quality is clear and powerful. The speakers are strategically placed to ensure that you get a balanced audio output no matter how you hold the tablet. But the audio experience goes beyond just loudness and clarity. The Dolby Atmos support creates a more immersive sound environment, making it feel like the sound is coming from all around you. This is particularly noticeable in action-packed movies and games, where directional audio can enhance the overall experience. Additionally, the Redmi Pad Pro includes a high-fidelity audio chip that ensures minimal distortion and high-quality sound reproduction, making it a great choice for audiophiles. Versatile camera. Setup. While tablets are not typically known for their camera prowess, the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro challenges this notion with its versatile camera setup. The device sports a 13MP rear camera and an 8MP front camera, both of which are equipped with AI enhancements to help you capture stunning photos and videos. The rear camera is capable of recording 4K videos at 30 FPS, making it perfect for capturing detailed videos. Whether you're documenting your travels or creating content for social media, the Redmi Pad Pro's camera ensures you don't miss any details. The front camera is equally impressive, making it ideal for video calls and selfies. With features like portrait mode and AI beautification, your video calls will always look professional, and your selfies will be Instagram ready. Additionally, the front camera supports Face Unlock, providing an extra layer of security and convenience. Overall, the camera setup on the Redmi Pad Pro ensures that you have all the tools you need to capture and share your experiences. Productivity and creativity. The Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro is not just about entertainment, it's also a powerful tool for productivity and creativity. The tablet supports a range of accessories, including the Xiaomi Smart Pen and a detachable keyboard, turning it into a versatile workstation. The Smart Pen is perfect for note-taking, sketching, and editing documents, providing a natural and responsive writing experience. With 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity, it accurately captures even the slightest changes in pressure, making it ideal for artists and designers. The detachable keyboard, on the other hand, transforms the Redmi Pad Pro into a laptop-like device, perfect for typing documents, emails, and more. The keys are well-spaced and provide good tactile feedback, making typing comfortable even for extended periods. Combined with MIUI for Pad, Xiaomi's custom interface for tablets, the Redmi Pad Pro offers a desktop-like experience with multi-window support, drag and drop functionality, and more. This makes it a great choice for students and professionals who need a portable yet powerful device for their work. Connectivity and storage. Staying connected is crucial in today's digital age, and the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro ensures you have all the connectivity options you need. The tablet supports Wi-Fi 6, providing faster and more reliable internet connections. This is particularly useful for activities that require a lot of bandwidth, such as video conferencing, online gaming, and streaming high-definition content. Additionally, the Redmi Pad Pro supports Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring seamless connectivity with a wide range of accessories, including wireless headphones, keyboards, and more. When it comes to storage, the Redmi Pad Pro offers multiple options, with configurations ranging from 128GB to 256GB of internal storage. This ensures you have plenty of space for all your apps, games, photos, and videos. If you need even more storage, the tablet supports expandable storage via a micro SD card, allowing you to add up to an additional 1TB. This means you never have to worry about running out of space, no matter how many files you need to store. Exceptional build quality. Despite its mid-range price point, the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro boasts exceptional build quality that rivals more expensive tablets. The tablet features a sleek and slim design with a metal body that not only looks premium, but also feels sturdy and durable. The brushed aluminum finish gives it a sophisticated look, while the tapered edges and rounded corners make it comfortable to hold for extended periods. The build quality is complemented by a robust construction that can withstand the rigors of daily use, making it a reliable companion for years to come. The attention to detail extends to the smaller aspects of the design as well. The power and volume buttons are tactile and responsive, while the USB-C port supports fast charging and data transfer. The tablet also features a magnetic connector for the optional detachable keyboard, ensuring a secure and seamless connection. Overall, the build quality of the Redmi Pad Pro is a testament to Xiaomi's commitment to delivering high-quality products that offer great value for money. So, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.